What is up YouTube, it's Shapeshifter420 here with another video on batch programming. Now this video is a little different to my others. Well, the next few videos will be also, because today I'm going to be showing you how to in fact script your own batch RPG, and I'm going to include a simple, easy to understand save system that I've actually previously done a tutorial on, and you can go check that video out on my channel. I've received a few messages and comments personally asking me to post these batch RPG tutorials, so no, I'm not copying all those 12 and 13-year-old kids posting their ways to make these. So first, for the tutorial, I've already made a blank file and a blank batch file. So what you want to do, start off with the usual, the title, color of the program, and @echo off. If you don't know what @echo off does, what it does is it clears written commands and file destination paths like in the program. So if that wasn't there, it would tell you where the batch RPG like commands are coming from, and like what program and where it is, like desktop or what file it is and all that. So type @echo off to get rid of that. So next, what we do is we make a menu screen. So we'll start with the label, I'll call it menu, say ls to clear the screen. Now echo to display a message. Every message is written after echo, so if you write echo hello, the program will display a message saying hello. So what you want to do is go, I'll just RPG, so that'll just display that. Echo dot is just a blank line. And give them some options: start, new, echo 2, load, echo 3, exit. Alright. Okay. Now what you want to do is set p input. Alright, so what that does, input is now a variable and you can change its value while in the program. So input can also be changed to whatever you want. You could change it to be hello or type or whatever you want, but I just keep it input because it's easier to know. So what set p does, it lets the user type change input in the program. I'm pretty sure I just said that. Alright, now use some if commands to make something happen when the user changes input to a certain value. So an if command, what that does, that if a variable changes to a certain value, the command written after if will happen. So if input equals 1, go to start. So if the person types 1 in input, it will go to start new. And then 2, 3, change that to load, and then change that to exit. And all exit does is just closes the program. Now go to menu. If you didn't type go to menu after these commands here, if you typed anything other than 1, 2 or 3, it would take you straight back to menu. If that wasn't there, it would take you to the next line of code, or it would actually exit you out of the screen if there was nothing below it. So now in this case, well, the variables are start and load. So 1 take you there, load take you there. So load will be in a different video, so I'll just change that to unfinished. And then pause. What pause does is it pauses the screen so it doesn't exit out straight away. And pause null just pauses the screen. Like if pause was just like that, it would say, like, it would display a message saying press any key to continue, and if it says pause null, it just doesn't say anything. Now go to menu, so that'll just take you straight back to the menu. And now start. Now what we have to do is, for the start label, is basically create the new character. We have to set its variables, like its level, its health, all that. So basically I'll just set the variables here. We set health equals 100. Actually I'll set level equals 0. I'll just pause the filming and do this so it doesn't take. Okay, so now the player variables are set. So there's the level, actually about that one, health, your money, your XP max is pretty much like the goal. Like say if your XP reaches 100, you level up. Your strength, like how much like you can hit off the enemy or whatever. Your defense, your weapon, like the weapon number and the weapon, like wep dis is the display of the weapon. So if it's 0, your wep dis would be none, so your weapon would say none in the game. And if it were 1, say the first weapon was a dagger, so the wep dis would be dagger, and that would be 1, or that could be 2, and that could be sword. Or same with armor. If it's 0, none. 1 could be leather, 2 could be iron. HPOTS is like potions, for like health potions, like to fix yourself in battle and all that. Alright, so what we have to do is now CLS, clear screen again, and we have to ask for the player's name. So what's your name? Okay, and what we have to do another set P. Now we have to set their name equals. Alright, so the player sets their name. Now go to main. Alright, so now for main is like the main screen variable. This would be like the main in-game screen. So main. Now we have to give the user options to fight. So I'll go like options to like fight and shop and like save the game and all that. So 1, fight, 2, shop, echo 3, save, echo 4, exit. Alright, set P input equals, and alright, if percent input percent equals 1, go to 5. So now we do all these options again. Shop, save, and exit. Alright, so now what we have to do, we have to make labels for the main options and exit. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them all as unfinished because that's all I have time for in this video. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Check my channel for the next tutorial, and like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.